Hey guys, I'm James, Master Instructor of the Dean King Training Institute here in California, and with me I've got Mr.
Lee Roth with the Dean King Training Institute.
And like I said, we are still here in Southern California. We're finishing up and tying up the last loose ends because tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, we are headed out to Orlando for the 2020 Mobile Tech Expo.
Absolutely, and when he says first thing, he means first thing. We got to be at LAX at like 6 a.m. So it's going to be a long flight, but it's worth it. We can't wait to get there.
Now, for those of you who are attending, we hope that we see you guys. We hope that you guys stop by our booth, number 307. We've got some really, really cool stuff that's coming out, some brand new tools hit the market.
Absolutely.
Named for and designed by Mr. Lee Roth himself, the Lee Roth Signature Series tools, along with some pretty trick B&D handles, ratcheting handles, both a pistol grip and a T-handle. And if you haven't seen any of the posts online, on the social media platforms, on any of the, wherever we've been posting them, these are some pretty cool tools, man. You guys got to come out and get these things in your hands.
Absolutely. I mean, I'm super proud of the mirror finish that we were able to put on them and the quality of the tools. And Mike Thrower with B&D Tools just absolutely killed it, the tools and the handles. Those handles are 26 position ratcheting, interchangeable. They fit all of the tools. And like you said, in a pistol grip and in a T-handle. And I think everybody's going to really, really enjoy these tools, make a lot of money with them, and enjoy the way they work. I'm real excited about it.
And for those of you guys that aren't planning on coming out to MTE, the tools still will be available after the show, and we'll be releasing our website and so on, which is going to be going live first thing Friday morning, the first day of the show. So be on the lookout for that. But again, if you haven't made the plans yet, or if you can last minute, rebook those other clients for next week and come out to the show. Come see us in Orlando.
Absolutely.
Because there's not only just our tools, but there's so many other tools that are coming out, and accessories and technology. And I know there's a couple of things going on Thursday on Education Day. There is a lot of stuff. Like I said, MTE is a place to go to see all the new stuff in our industry. It's going to be a great show.
And not just, and honestly, for me, it's also not just a sale issue where you can go buy new tools and see all the new stuff, which is absolutely true, and it's super fun, and we always love to do it. But it's just such an amazing experience to go network with guys from all over the country and the industry, and all over the world for that matter, because there'll be technicians from everywhere in Orlando, from overseas and Australia and Russia and everywhere. And it's really just an amazing ability to get together and talk to guys and get their opinion about different stuff, especially for newer guys in the industry. You can get some experiences about the industry that you'll not be able to get anywhere else.
Well, like I said, again, we hope that we see you guys there. And if you guys are still sitting on your couch right now, or on, in your car looking at your phones, illegally while you're driving and watching this video, get off the phone, get over to American Airlines or whatever you got to do. Make some plans to get out there. You're wasting time. Make your plans, get out to MTE. Hopefully we see you guys this Friday and Saturday at the Mobile Tech Expo. And come by, stop by, booth number 307. Say hi to us and check out our new stuff.
Absolutely.